It done ready. I want chop. You self want chop. On top chop chop. The matter we been the cost square before. Beans and plantain. It done ready. Make we can separate fight. Our judges, when I done ready to chop this food.
We dey wait.
Because for my mind, I know if you say when I ready reach me. For my mind, though, I don't know. All right, so my contestant, help us serve the guys first. Make we allow the guy win. Because now they always come this show, come win us. Now they prove say yes. When I sabi the team pass us. Make we go. All right, yo. Make we see as it go be. It's okay. Okay. How it be for now? I see the crayfish.
Yes.
I see the fish not dey visible, but I know say it go there. And the vegetables still green. What do you wanna think?
Oh well.
Not be me go judge for now. I know as soon as they do wanna think. My
first.
guy, I hope say you go prove yourself. Because these people, they no can joke for here. They chop them, but they gas to judge them because they know what thing food be.
Yes.
All right, so my people, they don't they test them. Make we see in faith for the matter. Because my mouth they bring out water. I don't even understand how body they do me. When it comes to beans and plantain, I know they use and joke at all. The fire self they hot, they respond to wetin I dey talk. When charcoal involved for the matter, everything na combination. I don't see that one. The plantain don't they look me for face. The beans self don't they smile to me. Where I no fit wait if we finish this shoot. Now waiting I go chop with that. My people, now still on Wazobia TV for chop chop. I dey chop anything food. Yes, anything food. If you think say get that food where we never cook for here, where you want share with us, why not? Bring and come. Follow us on top Twitter @chopchop, yes, for Wazobia TV. Also for Facebook. Send us your recipe. May we self join you. Do am as it's supposed to be. Because here we don't care which language. Another Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo. Waiting make us Wazobia. We're ready to cook the food. My people, we'll go back to our judges. I don't allow them taste them. Okay, here waiting then get to talk. So far, so good. When it comes to beans and plantain, I know say plenty story they do. That's how they talk love for a long time.
Yeah, but the thing now we not even they see the beans. It just be like nah.
Okay, the beans not too visible like that, but
No,
you they
nah,
taste them.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be like beans battle, right?
Okay.
But here it just be like na plantain.
Okay.
So the plantain can like win the matter and the beans can they small.
Okay. Okay, so for you, the beans not many rich.
Yes.
Now plantain ain't many for you.
Mm.
Well, it depends on, like we talk, we say creativity, and I ain't get them.
So.
If you be saying I saw you one, I know I'm meditating many like that. No less. My people, my judges don't talk this one, then say it be like say beans not there and say now plantain and the bobo cook for us. My guy, that your muzzle where you show me just now, I be like say don't they follow. My judge is not there impressed with the beans when no day. All right, no lilies. Make we allow them chop, drink water, keep cup for ground. Make them come tell us discuss. But before then, we still they go for the second one where they go test, judge them, make them express themselves as it's supposed to be. This one still now Wazobia TV, and my name still remain Queen Bee. Make you no change that dial because this face go they come to you every Saturday for start times for channel 195. My name, I like this name, Sha, Queen Bee.